Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this working of adjustable spring hand or finger exerciser or hand strengthener. You can see here, this is the digital counter thing. This is the main advantage of this adjustable spring hand strengthener. And see here, if you can see this adjustable spring, this tension spring, you can adjust actually from 5 kgs to 60 kgs, especially of this model, and the user has purchased this on the online only. At the end, if possible, I'll be showing you the online details of the product also. Yeah, and when you do this, the counter will be increased, and you can also reset this, means reset to 0. So again you can start counting from the 0. That is one good thing. There is a digital counter, digital meter, and this is the adjustable reset counter, you can say, reset pin. See here, now you can just rotate it to 0, and from 0 you can again start. Yeah, now I made it to 0. And there is a special purpose for this. The user who is using this wants some hand grip. That's the reason, since like he's using for almost a month. Then I thought of showing you. So those who are looking for hand exercises or hand grip or hand strengthening, so that this will be quite useful in two aspects. Actually, you can adjust this one thing, adjust the strength from 0.5 kg. From 5 kg to 60 kg, sorry. So if you keep it increasing the strength, it will be harder for you to do the count. So you can gradually increase the strength and the count also. And yeah, we can check the online details now here. And this one which I have shown in the video may be different here. The brand will be different, but the item is same. Okay. This is the best seller on the Flipkart. That's the reason I just want to share the information about the online availability also. And it is saying like 5 kg to 60 kg Adonex adjustable spring hand or finger exerciser or hand strengthener. And see here, it got digital display, and it got multiple benefits, and it has the reset pin which you have just seen here in the video what I have shown you. And yeah, if possible, I'll be attaching in the view products. For details you can just click and check in the view products. And yeah, see here, tension string, adjustable weight, non-slip handle. Yeah, you can ask if you do have any other questions. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.